Hi guys, welcome to Road Talk. We are going to see about the Toyota Innova Crista. Well, Innova Crista is the best MPV in India and it was launched in February 24, 2005 as a replacement of the legendary Toyota product Polaris. And this is the first three-row seating passenger car in the Indian market and redefined the MPV segment. Well, this one is the first MPV to offer third row AC vents. Well, here you get a projected lamp, halogen bulb, four LED, and here the indicator and a halogen bulb. Well, coming to the grill, here you get a huge Toyota logo with chrome surrounds. Also, a lot of chrome present in this vehicle. Coming to the side mirror, you get indicator treatment over here. Tail lamp. This one has a traditional bulb, brake lights, and also a traditional indicator lamp. There are no LED on offer. Okay, here you get a 16-inch wheel from Bridgestone, which offers you a good grip and feedback. Well, you don't get a hydraulic struts over here. You just need to use your own effort to pull up this and hold. That's all. Coming to the engine, you get a diesel engine which produces 150 horsepower with 343 Newton meter torque on offer. Well, the engine is good in terms of performance. Well, coming to the boot, you get a button over here. Opening the boot, well, it can fit the subwoofer over here, and you can also fold the rear seat, which gives you additional space on offer. Well, coming to the dashboard looks well ugly. Yeah, it contains some kind of hard plastic, but there is no compromise in terms of design. Coming to the storage space, you get a cooled glove box at the top, which can cool your things, and also a normal glove box with lock at the bottom. Well, you get a cubby holder over here, which can cool your drinks or water at night. Coming to safety, this car gets 3 airbags as standard in all variant except the top end variant which gets 7 of it. This particular variant we are driving is manufactured with a driver airbag, a passenger airbag and a driver knee airbag. Coming to the infotainment system, you get a 9-inch screen which has a CD player and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get GPS navigation system as an option, which is best in terms of productivity. But unfortunately, you don't get Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Well, the sound quality is decent enough that it's best from the previous version of Innova. Here you get a storage space to keep your sunglasses or cords. And here you get a light with a blue color ambient light surrounded. And here also you get a mirror with light, and same to the passenger side, you get a mirror with light. Coming to the rear, you get AC vents for both second row and third row with a digital control display which is first in its segment, and you also get blue ambient lighting at the rear. As Innova is a heavy car with body-on-frame platform, the steering wheel feels a bit heavier during your lower speed. The button placement on the steering wheel are on correct side as it is not claustrophobic. like some other vehicles, which have too many buttons on their steering wheel. And also Toyota has given us a nice. The steering wheel gets a neat wood and leather finish with a stitching on it, which feels luxurious. And also the AC cools the cabin at no time. You get three modes on offer: Eco, Power and Normal. During your Eco mode, the vehicle feels a bit sluggish and slow to drive, which is normally for fuel consumption. During your Power mode, the vehicle feels brisk and accelerative to drive. Well, the performance is increased during your Power mode, and during the Normal mode, it's between both the Eco and Power mode. You also get a reverse camera, which doesn't get adaptive guidelines. You also get reverse parking sensors. Coming to the gearbox, the 2.4-liter engine is mated to a 5-speed gearbox, which is smooth in terms of shifting. Coming to the performance, 0 to 100 comes in just under 11 seconds, which is blisteringly quick for an MPV weighing this much. The low end is best in terms of performance, or the mid range is also decent enough, but the top end lacks some kind of performance in this vehicle. As this car has old school rear wheel drive platform, you can have fun driving this. The price of this car is 16.26 lakh to 24.33 lakh ex showroom Chennai. Let's go through the quick summary of specifications. Engine: the Innova gets a more powerful 2.4-liter diesel engine with 150 brake horsepower on offer and 343 Nm torque. The particular variant gets a 5-speed manual gearbox. You get disc at the front and rub material for gearbox and transmission. Approximate service cost for Toyota Innova Crista in 5 years is Rs 26,065. Coming up next, a review of Innova Crista 2.8 ZX.